Hello and welcome to All You Need to Know to Play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on the ukulele in under 2 minutes. Start by attaching a snark tuner to the fingerboard, turn it on, and then pluck the first string. This is the A string, which more often than not goes flat. So what we need to do is find the tuning post that goes to that string and tighten the string until it reads the note A. And it detects the vibration, not the sound. So you can kind of make noise while you're doing it. And there's A. Now we can remove this, or just drop it onto the floor. And then on the first string, you can pluck with your thumb. And we're gonna have to count all the way up to fret 7 and then 9 for this song. So let's take a look. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is where the first dot is inlaid into the fingerboard. 6, 7, and then I'm going to use other fingers for 8 and 9, like that. So the beginning of the song starts like this. 0, 0, 7, 7, 9, 9, 7 for 2 beats. And then we're going to come back to 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 2, 0 for 2 beats. We've got a little extra time, so let's look at line 2. We're going to go back up to 0, 0, and then my dot shows me where 7, 7 is. 9, 9, 7, and then 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 2, 0. For more of the easiest way to start on instruments, visit my website at exactnotes.com.